So nagluto ako ng adobo. Ito mamaya yung hapunan ni Sofia at ni Hana. So ito siya, normal na adobo siya. So kalagitnaan, tinanggal ko siya. Yan. At nilagyan ko ng butter. Ito. Okay? Pero ito siya, nangangalahati pa lang yan na luto. Okay? So lalagay ko itong chicken back here. Dito. Habang niluluto ko siya sa butter, unti-unti kong lagyan ng sauce nitong chicken na niluto ko. So, ganyan. Yan. Para buttery ang dating. Yun. Ito yung magandang style din sa pagluto ng adobo. So, ito siya. Ganito nga. Meron siyang oyster sauce, soya sauce, vinegar, brown pepper, at saka yung asin, at saka ito, tawag ito. Ganyan, kasi yan. Tapos nung nangalati na siya, tinanggal ko lahat. At saka nilagyan ko ng butter dito. Tapos unti-unti kong lalagyan ng sauce. Papagita ko mamaya. Parang ganito. Yan. Okay. Pag tuyo na yan, lagay ulit. Kaya natin matuyo ng mga siguro mga 2 minutes. Tapos lagay ulit. So medyo tuyo na. Lagay ulit. Kuntiin natin. Yan. Another 2 minutes. Pag tuyo ulit. Hanggang sa maging siksik talaga yung ingredients sa loob ng manok. Okay, lagyan na natin lahat. Yun! Ito! Sarap ito. Okay na to. Ito yung hapunan ni Hana at Sofia with jasmine rice. Of course, nagluto din ako yung ito talaga yung paborito kasi ni Hana na pagkaluto ng manok, yung in oven, yan yung paborito niya, kaya nagluto din ako. Mula dito sa attic sa bahay, makita niyo yung bus, malayo yan. Andyan si Sofia nakasakay, pauwi na siya. So kitang kita mula rito sa attic, tamang tama dito na siya mananghalian. Mahangin dito sa attic. So malapit na siya. So pag nasa field na siya, tumatawag sa akin na, "Tatay, I'm here in the field now." So umakyat kagad ako rito. Sinisilip ko kung asa na yung bus. Kaya nga mula rito kitang kita mo yung bus, kung gaano na siya kalayo o gaano siya kalapit sa bahay. So tingnan nyo, diba? Ganda rito sa attic. Ganda talaga natin. Buksan natin ulit para makita nyo. Mo yung field. Yan yung highway. Okay. Bababa na ako kasi ibig sabihin na sa bus stop na siya at maglalakad na siya pa uwi.
With the camera.
Adobo with rice.
Yeah.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
That's one of your favorite foods, right? Adobo? So this is her lunch. And Bobby will eat as well. Maminka? Will you yes?
Yeah.
Yo? Daddy?
Yeah.
Yo. Kakain din siya. Yeah. Sarap na adobo Pinkay. Sarap.
Mm-hmm.
Nagkamay talaga si Pinkay, oh. Adobo. So what's the news, Pinkay? Any news?
Yeah.
Ganito lang naman ako rito ngayon. So ako yung nagluluto, hugas ng pinggan, sampay ng labahan, konting linis. Ayan.
Jeśli tam możesz, masz takowe suche.
You like the food?
Mm-hmm.
I'll give you one for mommies. This one you try. You try this Pinkay. This is oven chicken. Good. Everything is good for Pinkay. Everything is good. Yeah.
Ja mam po gustu, wiesz.
Duck. What is duck in Czech, Pinkay?
I think she does have duck.
Duck, Maminka, duck.
No.
This is my.
No, she has
I think my
goose.
translation app translator already works. Is that duck?
No, it's,
Je to kakna. Ne? To co je?
Taką co jsem pekla ja.
I think it's goose.
Goose. Oh, okay, okay. Okay. Dobre.
Czy to chutna?
Ne. She's offering her food to me. I said no because I'm full. Obiad kunich, Maminka. Slowly. Just tired. You're hungry now. Because it's 2 o'clock. Her school finishes 1:30. She took bus 1:40. She got home 2:10, 2:15. Then straight away lunch. But she had baon. She had food in her bag. Did you eat all your food in the bag? You didn't eat food?
I did, but I didn't finish it all.
What did you have?
Bread.
Hmm.
You know that squeeze thing that, I don't know what to call it.
Yeah. Some people are asking why you don't use fork.
Fork with what?
Fork for eating.
And why would I use a fork?
You did like this. You did like this.
Well, that's gonna be too difficult. It's more easier. You're just wasting your time if you're asking for a fork.
But when you use knife, you use fork, right?
Yeah, I mean, like to be like more like, you know, how do you say it? More respectful. For example, if I go somewhere in someone's house, and I'll of course use a fork and knife and whatever that. But here I'll use hands because it's easier, and also like
Okay.
I'm just gonna go wash my hands.
Alright, okay. You're not gonna eat this?
Mm-mm.
Okay.
A to nie budeš jíst?
Nebudu, to je.
Je to kyselé, ale je to dobré.
Papi.
Já si to už uchu.
Maminka, try.
Ja mám.
Yeah.
Ne.
I don't know why. Sometimes you cook your rice good. Sometimes you cook it amazing. Sometimes you cook it okay, and sometimes you cook it like
No, it's good.
yeah. This is
Okay, I will tell you. It's a quality of rice. That's jasmine rice. The rice that we had a week ago, that's not good rice. It's a cheap. No, it's not even basmati. It's cheap rice.
This is the rice I like.
That's why I told mommy, let me buy the rice because that was Maminka's rice. She bought not good rice.
And this one was in babus?
Yeah. You know, when we Asian, especially Filipino, we know what is good rice, right? By looking at it, you know what is good rice. So jasmine rice is the best, one of the best rice. So Sophia was like surprised, like, oh, sometimes you cook good rice, sometimes it's nice, sometimes no. Oh yeah, because the rice we had a week ago, it's a cheap rice. Yeah.
Yeah.
But I bought jasmine rice and I cook it today. So Sophia liked it very much.
This is a type of rice I love.
This is the type of rice. Yeah. I know. Because we have I always bought this in Manchester when we were in Manchester.
Yeah. When you get tired of basmati.
Either basmati or jasmine rice. But in the Philippines we have so many rice. Plan, we have dinorado. I usually ask Tito Ronald because he's expert when it comes to rice. I asked him what good rice. So he told me, he showed me this good rice. I look at the rice, okay, the quality of rice. Because he's a businessman, rice. He's selling rice.
Yeah. So and then I went to Knihovna. Is it Knihovna? Library.
Yeah.
This beautiful building. I get Sophia some books, books to read, and I paid our trip
To
Wrocław.
Poland. We're gonna have a trip to Poland.
Family trip.
Family trip in first week of December.
Second
Week of December.
14
But not by car. Ako lang dito mag-isa. Si Mamingka na sa loob. Si Hana na sa work. Si Sophia na sa school. Si Milan, si Helen na sa work. So basically, ako at si Mamingka ang naiwan dito sa bahay. Narinig ko si Mamingka at si Hana na nag-uusap. Hindi ko naintindihan pag-uusap nila, pero generally medyo naunawaan ko na gustong ipabungkal ito ni Mamingka. Ito. Pero hindi niya raw ako masabihan kasi hindi siya makapagsalita ng English. Diba? Hindi naman ako nakakaintindi ng Czech. So pag alis ni Hana, bago umalis si Hana, tinanong si Hana anong pinag-usapan niya ni Mamingka. Sabi niya gustong ipabungkal ni Mamingka yan, kaya lang walang ibang magbungkal. Sabi niya na maghintay na lang daw ako kung kailan siya available. So next availability niya na is Saturday. Ganun pa man, gusto ko silang biglain. Umuulan. Pero si Japit Boy, Operation Bungkal. Hindi alam ni Mamingka na lumabas ako para bungkalin niyang garden. Para at least sila naman ang mabigla, di ba? Ayaw ko yung pagdating ni Hana, nasa computeran lang ako palagi. Trabaho ko nito, luto, hugas pinggan, linis konti. May iba naman. Baka pag bago siya dumating, tapos ko na itong bungkalin yung mga garden. So, kuha muna tayo ng pala. Ito. Hindi ko lang alam kung anong itatanim ni Mamingka rito. Good morning from Czech Republic. First snow of the year. Yes. First snow. Talagang nasa Europe tayo ngayon, di ba? Wow. Si Darling Hana is going to work. Yes. Wow. Wow, we need umbrella. Do we have umbrella? Okay, give me umbrella please for Sophia. Yes, close it, close.
Sophie, máš 5 tělocvik?
Pinkay, stay there for a while. Stay there because you still have time. Wait, just give up on that side, please. Yeah, I'm just opening gate for Hannah. Yan. Siyempre dahil may umbrella. Yun. Si Darling Hannah papasok na sa trabaho. Pinkay. Hi, Sophia going to school.
Yeah.
Look at her. Okay. You.
Like sloppy, like very heavy. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I leave the gate open when you come back from the
So
clinic.
it means we're gonna really experience proper snow here.
I hope so.
Because in England, in Manchester, no, the snow is like
Okay, bye-bye.
mud.
Bye-bye.
Okay. Bye. You take care, darling. Drive slow. And Sophia, me and Sophia will take bus.
I'm taking bus now.
Update ko kayo mamaya. Wow. So sabi ni Hannah, pag talagang heavy snow, dito puno to, hindi safe sa sasakyan. Kasi ito parang medyo mataas eh. Tuloy-tuloy yung pagbuhos ng snow. Medyo tatagal ito ng another 1 hour. Tingnan yung garden na mumuti. Yung binungkal ko na lupa kahapon, yan yun. So hindi ko alam kung anong itatanim ni Mamengka. Natapos yung pagbungkal ko kahapon. After like 1 hour. 1 hour akong nagtrabaho dyan kahapon. So madali lang naman pagbungkal kasi nga yung lupa hindi matigas. Malambot yung lupa. Tsaka pala yung gamit ko. Kaya lang yung camera ko kahapon, hindi ko alam na naka hyperlapse. So nagsasalita ako, nagvi-video ako. Hindi ko alam na naka-setting sa hyperlapse. So kaya naging useless. So ito, ang sitwasyon ngayon dito sa Czech Republic. Katatawag lang ni Hannah sa akin na talagang sa town medyo nagkabuhol-buhol ang traffic dahil nga sa snow. Kasi pag snow, alam nyo na, may mga area na slope. Kaya yung sasakyan nag-sled. Kaya yung mga tire ng sasakyan dito sa Czech Republic, pag winter na, talagang obliged by law na dapat palitan mo yung tire mo ng winter tire. Sa England, walang ganon. Walang batas na talagang obliged na magpalit ng winter tire sa sasakyan. Pero dito sa Czech Republic, pag winter time na, talagang inobligahan ng batas na magpalit ka ng tire sa sasakyan. Okay, yan. Si Mamengka dyan, ako'y aakyat na sa aking lungga. Dito yung kina Helen, Milan, pero wala sila ngayon dyan kasi nasa work sila. Ako naman, simpleng buhay dito sa Czech Republic. Talagang tahimik ngayon dito dahil nga dalawa lang kami ni Mamengka. Pupunta lang ako mamaya dyan. Bababa ako mamaya pag ako'y magluluto ng hapunan ni Hannah at Sophia. Okay. Minsan dito lang ako sa attic. Nasa harapan ng computer. Palaging may ginagawa. Alam niyo na pag yung work mo is online. So, at least dito, anytime ay nakakagawa ko ng gusto kong gawin. Habang nasa bahay, minsan kaya kahapon, pagkatapos kong magbungkal ng lupa kahapon, balik dito, trabaho. At after that, pumunta kami kahapon sa Ostrava dahil mga sa swimming club ni Sofia. So, ganito lang yung buhay dito sa Czech Republic. And, yeah, that's it. Tinulugan. Kita mo yung snow rito. Maganda kaya hindi ko lang mabubuksan yung bintana kasi tingnan natin, subukan natin para makita nyo kung ano ang sitwasyon dito. Yan, open the window. Oh, tingnan nyo. Yan, mahangin dito. Hindi ko mabuksan ng malaki kasi medyo mahangin. Pero maganda talaga rito sa attic kasi kitang-kita mo ang buong paligid mo. 360 makikita mo rito. Kasi may window rito, makikita mo sa likod. At dito makikita mo rin. Okay. Yan, dito mas maganda ang view rito. Okay. Meron din dito. Okay. Kaya lang kapitbahay ko makikita ko rito. Yun. Diba? Yan. So kitang-kita mo ang lahat ng mga pangyayari sa iyong paligid pag nasa attic ka. Hindi malamig dito kasi may radiator. Dalawa yung radiator dito. Yan, yan. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung picture namin. Yan, picture namin yan nung kasal namin. So okay, yan lang muna. At salamat po ulit sa inyo. Sa patuloy niyong panonood sa aming vlog at sa patuloy niyong pagsuporta sa amin.